Yes, how you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Definitely glad to have you back. Again, who am I? My name is Fahim Muhammad, the Freedom Coach. Now, what we're going to talk about today is some basic things that if you are looking to get ready to start a spare time business, part-time business, or big time business without some basic things you do to get started. See, what happens is a lot of times people make it real complicated and make it real large. We want to show you how you eat an elephant, one bite at a time. Now, before I forget, make for sure that you click the link is to the top, to the bottom, the left and right, one of the sides. Make sure you hit the subscription button. Also hit the bell so, of course, you can be notified when we got our outstanding class of programs. And guess what? Let's get started. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what I want to share with you today, real quick, are some simple things. A lot of times when we're looking at that we want to start a business, we want to realize that some main things are really important. And I'm just going to talk about a few of them. And we're talking about the power of the E. First one, let's talk about energy. One of the E stands for energy. You got to make sure you have your energy up. You got to have your mindset and your belief up. So what you want to do, sometimes we call it an hour power. I know some of you thinking, I do not have no hour to be given to nobody. That's okay. If you don't have an hour, 60 minutes in an hour, then maybe give it 55. You can't get 55, get 45. Can't get 45, get 30. You can't get 30, get 15. Can't get 15, get 5. And if you can't get 5, you got to be able to give 1 minute to your goals and dreams. So now let's just talk about some basic things that you want to start doing in order, obviously, of course, to be successful if you start a business spare time, part-time, or what we call full-time or big time. The next E is education. You want to make for sure that you definitely get the proper coaching, get the proper information. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most valuable things in our universe is information and coaching. It allows you to accelerate your time frame. So what I want to share with you here at Freedom Team Apex Marketing Group, FTNMG, and again, you can click the link wherever it's at, to the left, right, down, wherever it's at. Make sure you can click it. We can send you some more information. Plus, you can get some of our other programs that you can take a look at and be able to learn some things to get started. So you want to make sure you get the education. The last E that I want to share with you, and I want you to help you get this started, is environment. That's right, environment. What happened is, you heard this saying, look like a duck, sound like a duck. Oh, is a duck, right? And so we want to talk about what some basic things that you want to have when you set up your office. I just jotted down a few things. Obviously, some of them are basic, but you still want to have them. You want to have a designated area, and it could be a corner in a room if you're not able to get a full room, but you want to have a chair, a desk. You definitely want to have at least a laptop if you don't have a desktop. Of course, definitely you want to have a calculator, because you could be on your phone. You may want to be doing some separate things to have somebody to assist you. Even though we have different software and databases for our scheduling, ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you now, you still want to have the hard copy date book. The reason why you want to have a date book, because also it can be used in tax purposes. Ladies and gentlemen, if you really want that information, make sure you subscribe How to Save on Taxes by Having a business, having an entity. We show you how to do that. And of course, you want to have a cell phone and/or landline, have a fax line, e-line, and of course, you want to have a dry eraser board, and you want to have a 30-day calendar. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're really talking about growing a business, you want to have some of these small things. Also, you want to have a possible small recorder and a digital camera, because they're going to allow you, obviously, to be able to do some things that you need to do. So that's some of the basic things. Now, we talk about this in other programs. I just want to share this with you in closing. What happens is, when you're talking about starting a business, you can start from being, of course, a sole proprietor, which is how majority of people start their entity, and they start to grow it. But we want to show you how to do something about not bringing the pain home. And you want to find out what kind of corporation do you want to have. Do you want to have an S Corp? Do you want to have a C Corp? Do you want to have an LLC? Do you just want to have a regular corporation? You want to have a general partnership, limited partnership, and all these particular things. And so that's why we tell you here at FTMG, make sure you definitely, of course, click the link wherever you can find it, and we'll definitely get you started on that. So ladies and gentlemen, hopefully this was simple. Hopefully it added just some basic things that you want to have. And again, stay tuned for more. And as I say all the time, good things come to those who wait, but only what's left over from those who hustle. The hustle is for free. The game is for a fee. My name is Fahim Muhammad, the Freedom Coach, Chartered Senior Financial Planner. Free yourself, and your dreams will follow.